So this is Rhino Linux and it's Ubuntu based. So I'm going to run the installer. So this is the Calamari installer. This is the welcome page. This is location. This is keyboard settings and layout. So I'm going to choose erase this, swap to file. And on the file system, I'm going to select BTRFS. I'll create an account. This is a summary of the settings. I'll click install. So installation is complete. I'm going to restart. Okay, I'm going to log in. So this is a welcome page. I'll click Let's Start. This is the package manager. So this is Flatpak. I'm going to turn this on. There's also Flatpak beta channel. I'll turn that on also. This is Snap. I'll turn on Snap. This is the app image. I'll turn that on. And this is AM, a command line interface to install app images. I'll turn that on. I'll click Next. This is the containerization, container engines and virtual machines. So there's a lot of choices here. There's QEMU also, VirtualBox. I'll click Next. These are extra settings. This is Nala. This is already on. This is GitHub CLI, the command line. I'll type the passcode. And it's configuring these changes. I'll click on Reboot now. So this is a welcome to Rhino Linux. There's some tabs here with Wiki, announcement, Discord, Reddit, GitHub. I'll turn this off. So on the top panel, this is the power button. So these are the options. This is desktop. This is file, documents, music, pictures, video. So on the top right side, this is the core tiling manager. This is a network icon. This is notifications icon. This is the audio icon. This is the power manager icon. These are some of the settings. And this is the time and calendar. So on the left side, this is the panel. There's a search bar, application grid, desktop switcher, the Firefox web browser, the file manager. This is the VS Codium app, the terminal app, and the About System app. So to open the search bar, I can click on it. I can also press the super key and the S key. So I could type, for example, Google, and it brings up the Google search. I'll type Wikipedia, and Wikipedia pops up. I can click on it and open it. So it opens in Firefox. So I can also search for files. I'll open the application grid. So these are all the apps. I'll open the settings manager. So there's personal, there's hardware, system, and other. I'll click on appearance. And they're listed by style, icons, fonts, settings. I'll open all settings. So I'll open some apps. I'll open Firefox. I'll open File Manager. And I'm going to open the desktop switcher. So I can drag an open app in the second desktop. And I can scroll from one desktop to the next with the mouse. I'll open the file manager. So this file manager is the Tunar file manager. I'll right click and I'll create a new folder. I'll right click the new folder, click on properties. So there's emblems. This is the VS Codian app. So I'm going to run an update. So I'll type rpk update -y. So you can see a summary here. Install, upgrade, auto remove. Okay, so the update is complete. So I'm going to see if htop is installed. I'll type htop. So htop is not installed. So to install htop, I'll type rpk install htop. And it gives me some options here. I'll choose one. So I'll open htop. So I'll right click the desktop. I'll click on desktop settings. So these are some of the wallpapers. So there's menus, desktop icons, file launcher icons, and keyboard shortcuts. So this was just a short overview of Rhino Linux. So these are some of the specs. This is the operating system. It's Rhino Linux 2025.1. The kernel version is 6.12.3. The desktop environment is Unicorn. So I want to thank you for watching and I thank you for subscribing.